And we're starting with some big breaking news from the chief of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Randeep Guleria, has just told India Today's deputy editor Sneha Mordani that COVID vaccine for children will be ready by September and rolled out by September in India. A big and very, very specific declaration from the AIIMS chief, first and exclusive to India Today. By September, approvals for the first children's vaccine will be through here in India, says Randeep Guleria.
You know, vaccines for children. When will we see the first vaccine for children in the country?
So vaccine trials in India are already going on. Bharat Biotech is already doing the trials, and one is hopeful that the results will be out quickly. I think by September, the data should be out and we should be able to have the regulatory approvals by then. Pfizer has already got FDA approval for their vaccine. And if Pfizer also comes into our country, and since we may accept the FDA approval which has been given by the US regulators, as far as India is concerned, we could also look at that vaccine being available for children. But having said that, I think the priority should be first to decrease mortality and therefore vaccinate the elderly and those with comorbidities first. We all know that children have a milder disease, and therefore if we have limited doses, we must really vaccinate first those who have a chance of having more severe disease and dying of COVID-19.
You do believe that Covaxin's vaccine for kids that is undergoing trials right now may have good enough data by September, and the approval will also be coming by September or sometime around that time?
Correct, that's true.
Also, the Zydus Cadila vaccine is also getting tested on children. Is that vaccine expected after Covaxin, or how do you see the procedure getting panned out in the next few weeks or so?
So that vaccine trial is also more or less over. They're, I think, collating the data. So one is waiting for them to really give their data and get the regulatory approvals. After that, we'll have a clear picture in terms of what the data suggests in terms of its efficacy, safety, and its utility as far as children and adults is concerned.
But the possibility of Covaxin's vaccine, Covaxin for children is you know, before, what I'm trying to ask you is that Zydus probably is going to follow the approval after Covaxin gets it.
That will depend on the data that they have, but hopefully by, let's say, September, we will have vaccines which should be available to children and possibly from more than one source.
Okay, and Covaxin's trials for children by this also involves children above the age of 2 and not just children above the age of 12. Am I correct?
Yes, Covaxin is looking at the trial between children between the age of 2 and 18 years. So this it's even above, not 12 and above, but even 2 to 18.
Sneha Mordani with that exclusive with me live for a quick word on that. Sneha, the first definite sense from Randeep Guleria, no less, about the children's vaccine in India possibly going to be rolled out in September.
Yes, you know, what's extremely important is that we will have a vaccine for kids, and this is not just children above the age of 12, because initially the trials are being carried out among children between the age of 12 and 18, but children as young as 2. Shiv, and this is the recruitment process which is underway at Delhi's AIIMS. Dr. Randeep Guleria, who's also the chief of AIIMS, has said that by September we expect data. Remember, this is going to be phase 2, phase 3 trials, which is underway right now in the country on children as young as 2. And there is going to be data by September, which means that if Pfizer doesn't come before that, we will have the first vaccine for children in India against COVID-19 by September. If Pfizer comes before that, then there will be the process of inoculation starting amongst children even before that, and that I think comes as a sense of, you know, that gives us a sense of assurance given the concerns around children, them not being vaccinated, schools being shut, you know, the government planning to open up schools, having that discussion at least, and offering protection when we know that the virus is going to look for the perfect host. Adults would have been vaccinated, and the perfect host would be children. So this, in a way, comes as a big, big relief, Shiv.
Something to look forward to. Very good news. Thanks very much, Sneha, for getting us the latest.